Kwik Car of Watauga is the #1 Kwik Car location in America, which means that we service more vehicles than any other auto repair or full-service wash center around. We have the highest satisfaction rates in the industry, and we guarantee you will benefit from our expertise from the moment you drive up. Because we are family-owned and operated, our attention to quality service is personally overseen 7 days a week by one of the Mosley family. By being here every day, we guarantee a great experience for everyone who comes in, or we'll take care of it personally. Our facilities are equipped with the latest in auto repair and wash technologies, which means you get the best possible care for your vehicles inside and out. In fact, we have 3 ways to better serve you. In our Lube and Tune Center, we do so much more than oil changes and inspections. In fact, our ASE Certified technicians can keep your vehicle running smoothly, no matter if you need something as simple as windshield wipers or as complex as engine swapping. On site, we have a full-service wash center that is dedicated to providing the absolute best vehicle detailing around. Whether it's your personal car, exotic automobile, boat, RV, or a fleet of vehicles, our 120-foot wash tunnel and expert detailers will bring out the sparkle factor in your vehicle. If you can't make it to us, we'll come to you. Kwik Car of Watauga has a full-service mobile unit that can provide many of the same lube and tune services wherever you are. We can come to your business or office complex and service one vehicle or your entire fleet. Now, not only do we provide the best access, experiences, and value in servicing your vehicles, we are also open 7 days a week, have a 7-day clean car guarantee, and offer a free car wash with every oil change or state inspection. And for regular customers, we have a VIP rewards program that gives discounts and rewards on most every service we offer. Come down today and see the difference for yourself at Kwik Car of Watauga, the #1 Kwik Car in America.